You all are awesome. Today is just to give a big thanks and shout out to all my subscribers. You helped me build this channel to over 100 subscribers in just a few weeks. It's really quick, it's really awesome. So I just wanted to take a few minutes telling you how much I appreciate the feedback, the support, and all of you subscribing to the channel. Hi, I'm Wade Thomas of Black Tie Barn Candle Company. As many of you know, I've been making candles for about a decade now. And I've been in business for about 7 years of that decade. My goal with this channel is just to help other candle makers along the same path and the same journey that I took myself. So I appreciate you joining that journey so far with me, and I hope that what I've provided to this point has been beneficial and helpful to you. Just know that there is a lot more to come. As I've mentioned before in some other videos, I've been helping other candle makers for several years now, and I've been doing that in the way of one-on-one training, some coaching, some videos, direct videos, some phone calls, some video chats, and even in-person one-on-one with a few as well. However, recently I decided to take the plunge and just go ahead and make a channel. I've been asked to make a channel for a while, and I was just so busy with everything else that it really wasn't something I had really thought about doing much, but the world we live in today, it just makes more sense. So give me some time. I'm going to get as much content as I've created over the years and updated content in the form of video so that I can get it to the channel. So appreciate you sticking with me and tuning in to what I have provided so far. Again, the fact that in just a few weeks we've already got to the 100 subscribers and we've barely scratched the surface, so I just wanted to say appreciate it. In showing that appreciation, I'm also going to do a little giveaway to a couple of the current subscribers. What I plan on giving away is just one of the candles that I've created, and it's just a small 7-ounce candle along with a melt, and I'm going to do that with 2 different subscribers. And the reason I want to do that more than anything else right now is just the way I think about candle making and teaching others how to make candles is that the proof is in the pudding, right? So I can talk all day about making candles and tips and tricks, but I think it's beneficial that some of you subscribers get a chance to, without necessarily having to purchase from me, a sample of what one of my candles is like. So I'm just going to grab just 2 random candles from the shelf. So I don't know, based off of who wins the drawings, I'm not sure what fragrances you like. So just, hopefully you like the scent, but if not, I get it. There's tons of scents out there, and I've got about 100 myself. So I'm just going to grab 2 for candles and 2 for melts, and I'm going to give away 1 of each to 2 different subscribers. And just to give you an idea of, I guess how one of my candles burn and what my objective is when I'm making a candle, kind of what my goal is. So hopefully you enjoy that. So the only thing you really need to do to qualify for the drawing is be a current subscriber, which I know most of you already are. If not, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll tell you why here in just a minute. But other than being a subscriber, just leave a comment in this video, and that's it. And I'll have 2 random people selected from the comments and subscribers, and I'll get a candle and a melt out to you as soon as possible. Now, the reason I said go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber is I plan on doing these kind of milestone giveaways as often as possible. So I know for the next one for sure is going to be 250, and it'll probably be even a little bit more. So as we kind of reach further milestones, I'll give away a little bit more. By then, we're going to have a lot more content, a lot more videos to talk about. So again, I really appreciate the support and all the feedback. You guys are awesome. The fact that, just a few videos in, that's all I have uploaded right now is just a few videos of all the content that I want to add to this channel. And we're getting great feedback and great subscribers already. So that's all credit to you guys. I'm going to make the videos either way. I just enjoy the content. I enjoy helping other people. And I enjoy helping other candle makers along the same path that I took. So, but the response is all from you. So I really appreciate it. Now, other than just the giveaway and a big thanks and shout out to all of you subscribers, I also wanted to give you a quick idea of the roadmap, what's coming up for me. So I've got some potential really big news. I might be relocating, which means new workshop, some new videos about creating and building and putting together that workshop, which would be really exciting. But also it means that there's going to be several weeks where it's going to be tough for me to make a lot more candles and a lot more products, and potentially even some of the videos that I planned over the next few weeks, I might have to adjust my content schedule a little bit to videos that can accommodate me relocating. So anyways, it's awesome news. It's not 100% certain yet, but it's 99%. So as that develops, I will keep you all updated. And once we get into the new workshop, we're going to have some workshop tour videos and setup videos, which are going to be a lot of fun. So again, that's what's coming up, and You know, I have a lot of other types of content and videos coming along the way. I think most of you that have been with us for the first few weeks have heard me talk about the type of content that I will be creating for the channel. And it's going to be a lot of candle making content, of course, as well as candle business content. So as I mentioned earlier in this video, I've been making candles for about a decade and running a business for about 7 years. So I know a lot about both sides. And so I want to share that knowledge. You know, turning this into a business is not for everyone, and that's totally fine. But I know there are a lot of people that when they start candle making are also interested in running a business, even if it's just a little side income. So we will be talking about all of that and much more on this channel. So once again, thank you for being a part of this community and part of this channel. And I look forward to growing this channel with you together for the foreseeable future. So if I don't talk to you before Friday, which is my next scheduled video, as long as my timeline allows me, have a good week until then. And one more time, you guys are awesome. I appreciate it. Thank you.